my name is Jess and welcome to my channel. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my modern farmhouse DIYs that I made using Dollar Tree items, and I really hope that you enjoy and have fun in today's video. Please, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. And subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every single time that I upload a new video. Remember that I have my social media pages, Instagram and Facebook. Both links are going to be in the description box of this one, so you can follow me there. And I'm gonna be sharing so many pictures and things that I made at home for my kids, for my family, and a few videos on Facebook page. So yeah, I'm gonna be linking those in the description box of this one and every single video. And let's get started to these Dollar Tree DIYs. Okay guys, to start our first project, I'm going to use 2 of these Dollar Tree wooden boards. And if you don't have them, remember that you can use many other things that you already had at home. And I'm going to cut them in half to 9 inches with my saw machine. Once they are cut, I will glue 2 boards together with E6000 glue and staples on the edges and on the back and front side, and where they join each other, just to make sure that this piece is going to be strong enough. From there, I'm going to use my Waverly chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint to cover the letters and all the designs that these wooden boards has. And once the paint dries, I will use my Waverly wax in antique color to create like a wood look. And you can do anything look like wood by creating a white base first and then use some wax in a brown color. Once everything is dry, I'm going to use these hooks. These ones are from Dollar Tree and brings 3 per package. And I'm going to paint them with my spray paint in ultra matte black color. And once this paint is dry, I will put 1 in each center of the wooden pieces that I paint with the screws that it brings, and using my drill. I will also be leaving the link of the drill that I always use in my DIYs, just in case you are interested. In order to hang it on the wall, I'm just going to put a piece of jute cord on the back with staples on each of the wooden pieces. You can basically hang anything on these hooks. And I have these crafts bottle at home. They are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to remove the lid, and I'm going to cover the top with some jute cord. This one is from Walmart, and you can add some details such as a bow, and place a piece of jute cord to hang the bottle from the hooks. Inside of each plastic bottle, I'm going to put some Spanish moss, and then I'm going to add boxwood from Walmart, or you can maybe add flowers if you like. And once you have that part ready, you can hang each bottle on the hooks. And this will be the result of our first project, and it is very simple and easy to do, super budget friendly. Remember that you can change the decor that you put inside of the bottles, or you can change these plastic bottles for something else depending on the seasons. For our second project, I will be using 2 of these Dollar Tree ceramic candle holders, and also a piece of ribbon with designs that you maybe have at home. This one is from a Dollar Tree, and what I'm gonna be doing is painting all these pieces in black color. You can use maybe chalk paint, or you can use spray paint like I did, and once they are dry, this is how they are going to look. In one of the candle holders, I will be sticking this glass vase, also from Dollar Tree, on the top of the candle holder with some hot glue, but I highly recommend you to use E6000 because it's going to be stronger. Then you can stick the piece of ribbon between the candle holder and the glass vase, and just add a little bit of hot glue. Finally, you can put a candle inside if you like, and you can add some greenery that you have at home just to give it more details and color to this project. In the other candle holder, I'm going to do something a little bit different and easy. I'm going to put inside of the candle holder this galvanized bucket that I have at home. I think I get it from a thrift store, and I'm going to add greenery inside of the bucket. And that's it. This is going to be the result of our second project. It is a very easy DIY, but the perfect touch to add to a modern farmhouse decor, maybe for your kitchen, for a living room, for the bathroom. You have many options. For our last project, I will be using 4 more of these Dollar Tree wood pieces, or if you don't have these, you can use these Home Depot wood pieces that cost me only $1 each, or you can use whatever you have at home. To give it a wood texture like I did in the first project, I'm going to use my Rivoli chalk paint in white color, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of paint to cover all the letters and the color that this piece had. Once they are dry, I'm going to stick these boards together, forming a frame, and for that I'm going to use my E6000 glue and staples. And like I said in the first DIY, I'm going to be leaving you the link of where you can get this type of stapler, as well as my Amazon store with my favorites for home and crafts. From there, I'm going to use my Rubberly wax in antique color to create the same wood texture from the first DIY, and then you need to let it dry very well. I'm going to use a piece of foam board, and you must cut it in the same size as the frame that we made with the boards. So I'm going to use my Rubberly chalk in black or ink color, and I'm going to paint my foam board. Then you need to let it dry, and you can stick it on the back of the wood frame with staples. To make it look like a real chalkboard, I'm going to put a little bit of chalk on that foam board, and I'm going to erase it with my hands, and that way I'm going to get that chalkboard effect that I'm looking for. From there, I print from the internet, from Google, something that said "Hello Spring," and I'm going to add a chalk on the back of the paper. Now you must place that piece of paper on the top of your board, and you need to pass a pencil over the letters. And this is one of the ways that I like the most to use to transfer images or words to any surface. Once you remove the paper, and I'm gonna try to fill them with this white chalk marker that I get, and I think it's the easiest way, and it's going to look beautiful. So in the description box of the video, I'm going to leave you the link of where you can get these type of chalk markers. They are very cheap and they work amazing. Once you're finished, you can put a wreath on the top, hang it on the board. And I'm going to reuse this one that I had at home from a previous project. It is basically a Dollar Tree wreath with some greenery and a rustic bow. And I'm going to put a piece of ribbon to hang it from the chalkboard and some staples on the back. In order to hang it on the wall, I'm just going to put a piece of jute cord on the back with staples on each of the wooden pieces. And that will be it. This will be the result of the projects for today's video. I'm totally in love with the result of each one of them, and you can change and paint the chalkboard for a different season as well as the wreath. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you like it, you can give me a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel. Leave me a comment, and please make sure that you are subscribed and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on my social media pages. Both links are going to be in the description box of this video. I love you so much, guys. I hope you have a beautiful week, beautiful weekend, and see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye. Stay safe.